Hi guys, it's your girl Danita, according to D-Law. Introducing you to some and presenting to others. A company, black-owned company, I believe it's called Sawaa. And so I ordered some of the storage bags and wanted to present them to you. In the, I think it's a package that you can order, and you'll get the 60 storage bags, 40 trash bags, 40 gallon size freezer bags, and this is the quart size if I didn't say it, and then also the dish soap. So let's open it up and see what we think about it. So they have the name brand on the package or on the storage bag. Feels pretty thick. Feels like it's pretty good quality. Should be able to hold some good stuff. It's not too thin. Let's do the freezer bags next. And it's 40 of these in here. Yep, has the name again. Pretty good quality. The thickness is nice. My one concern is the trash bags, because it felt like it was kind of thin. You get 40 of these. It might be okay for the 13 gallon. If I have any difficulties, if I use it and it rips on me, I'll come back and let you guys know, but it should be okay. So yep, we have the 40 bags of those trash bags, and then we have the dish soap. I'm gonna test this and see how the thickness of it. It's got a little bit of thickness to it. Not as thick as Dawn, but it seems like, and it's already making some sort of lather. So I'll wash this off. We'll see what kind of bubbles we get, and yeah, guys. So again, Sawaa's or Sawaa's company, black-owned company. They make other things, I believe. That's the website, but I did order this, and I got the gallon freezer bags, the 13-gallon garbage bag, and the 60-piece quart size. So I hope you like it, guys. Give them a try. I believe they're out of Atlanta. I don't see a website, but just Google and see if you can find this and give them a try, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.